Today's video mula sa ating mobile phone, pumunta lang tayo sa dial ng ating device. And dito guys, dial lang natin is *143, number sign or hashtag, and then call. And then dito guys, piliin lang natin is yung number 6, which is yung Go Booster. So type natin yung number 6, and then tap send. And then dito guys, piliin nyo lang yung Go Share 10. So nasa number 4, type nyo yung number 4 and then tap send. So ayan guys, kapag nag-register tayo ng Go Share 10, makakakuha tayo ng additional 1 GB na data for Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, Twitter, Viber, and WhatsApp for 1 day. So for only 10 pesos lang siya guys. So kung may expired na or maubusan na kayo ng data, pwede kayong mag-extend sa Globe ng 10 pesos. So additional 1 GB na siya guys for Facebook and others. So para ma-register guys, type natin yung number 1 and then tap send. So, ayun lang guys, ganun lang kasimple kung paano nga ba mag-register ng Go Share 10 sa ating Globe SIM. If you have a question, comment down below and don't forget to hit